Homemade whole grain mustard tastes terrific on bratwurst, and it's easy to do. Start by using both yellow and brown mustard seeds. This is 1/3 cup of both. There are the brown, there are the yellow. To this, we're gonna add 1/2 cup of water and 3/4 cup of cider vinegar. Now we're gonna let these mustard seeds soak and hydrate, and they need to soak for at least 8 hours, but you can do it up to a day in advance. All right, now here's a bowl where the seeds have been soaking. You can see how different they are. They've really absorbed all that liquid. Starting to look more like mustard now. Now we're gonna grind these mustard seeds into a nice fine paste, but I'm gonna reserve 1/2 cup of the seeds so that they can be in the finished mustard. The rest of the seeds go right into the food processor. To this, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar and 1 1/4 teaspoons of table salt. Now we're just gonna process this until it's smooth, which can take a minute or two. Oh, it smells so potent right when you grind those mustard seeds. I'm gonna put the puree back into the bowl. Gonna stir in the reserved whole seeds. And that's it. That's all it takes to make the mustard. And now we'll portion them into mustard jars. I like glass jars here because this stuff stores for a long time. Also, it makes a great gift if you're going to someone's house. Bringing homemade mustard is pretty cool. All right, now the key is to let this mustard sit at room temperature for a day or two. And as it sits, it'll get much more intense in flavor. So you want to taste it periodically, put it in the fridge when it has the intensity you like. And once it's in the fridge, it'll last for quite a while, up to 6 months, which is why when it makes 2 jars, it's nice to give one to a friend. And that's it. Easy whole grain mustard. Thanks for watching. What'd you think? Leave a comment below and let me know what you're excited to cook this week. And while you're at it, hit that subscribe button. You can get today's recipes and more for free at our website, americastestkitchen.com/JuliaAtHome.